Okay guys, let me show you this business that you can start with as low as 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira if you want to start, no matter where you are in Nigeria. So I was in Balogun Market Trade Fair today. It was a very hectic day, and I was in the market today going around looking for wholesale suppliers all through the market. So I was able to get this one, which is a bag seller, a wholesaler. So I bought one of the bag myself to come home and unbox it and see it, the quality for myself. Of course, this is a business I personally want to start, and I and my wife want to start it. So I went to buy one of the quality to taste it for myself, so that it will not just be as if what I order versus what I got. So here is me unboxing the bag. Now this bag is ridiculously cheap. Now I have to send it to many people to confirm the price in their area, and I realized that this bag is ridiculously cheap at a wholesale price here in Lagos. So here is the bag, as you can see. The bag. And then I also have other video that you can check out on my channel, on my YouTube channel. So you can check it out and see the full video of how everything went when uh I start going through these suppliers. So this is simple video. This is just what I want to show you in this video today. So see you in the next video. Again, I'm Lokoso Sylvain, and don't forget, if you are watching this on TikTok or YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me, and then check my other video. Bye for now.